He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. In this regard, Mr. Chijioke Onyeanwusi, popularly called Camera by his friends from South Africa, had earlier taken Chiamaka Okezie to the altar. To this effect, the couple, both from Okija, later organized a wedding reception at Mr. George Okezie's compound, Onyeanwusi Obaho Okija, in Ihala local government area, where they invited family members, relatives, business partners, as well as colleagues to rejoice and marry with them as they celebrate their love for each other. Correspondent Justice Onyeanwusi filed this report.
Mr. Chijioke Onyeanwusi and Mrs. Chiamaka Okezie had earlier confessed their love for each other at St. Paul's Catholic Church, Umuatuegwu, Okija, and sealed it with exchange of ring, promising to love and care for each other as they continue to live as husband and wife. The wedding reception, which was organized by Akwaza Group, attracted dignitaries, government functionaries, business moguls, and prominent men and women from Okija and beyond. In an interview, the bride, Chiamaka Okezie, from Onyeanwusi Obahu Okija, and Chijioke Onyeanwusi from Umuezelempe, Umuatuegwu, also in Okija, appreciated friends and well-wishers who made out time to come and honor their occasion, praying God to take them back to their respective homes, while maintaining that there is nothing that will separate their love for each other till death do them part. Speaking, the groom's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Donatus Chiamaka, cautioned the newly wedded couple against having a third party in their union, saying that if they allow such in their marriage, the union will not last, instead will collapse. Adding his voice, Mr. Ejike Anene, who described the groom as a friend and an in-law, advising him to allow his love for his wife to continue to grow from time to time. Cutting of cake, special dance by Egedege Boys, and dance by the couple featured at the event, where the couple also received royal blessings from the traditional ruler of Okija, Igwe Emeka Okezie, while handing over key of a new brand Toyota car to the new couple, as by bride's parents climaxed the event.